Oh, you thought this was a game, huh? Oh, you slept, you missed the range, huh? I don't switch sides, still the same, huh?
Good morning, guys. Happy Sunday. So I am going on a family trip. This morning we are heading to my favorite parish ever, which is Portland. If you watch my vlogs, y'all know that Portland. Your girl is gonna move there eventually. Okay. Anyways, we're heading on a family beach trip today. We're going to Winnipeg Beach. I haven't been there in like so long. Every time I go to Portland, it's either Frenchman or another one, or most of the times when I go to Portland, I'm going to the river and Frenchman. Anyways, yeah, so we're all dressed. There's like a bus. You have the option to, you know, go on the bus or drive. The girl is driving. Portland Road is no joke, and to be sitting in a bus or a passenger seat, it's not for the weak. Every time like I'm not driving to Portland, I really feel like I'm gonna get sick. So I'm gonna be driving, heading up to the family house now. Where everybody at the where the bus is, the pickup point. Yeah, so this is the cute fit. Let's get into it. I don't even know if you guys can see me, because of course the girl is using a back camera. Oh, okay, let me see if y'all can see my full fit. Hold on. Full fit. I think this swimsuit is Shein. Yeah, Shein. I've had this like probably like for 3 years now. Got my Cartagena bag when I went to Colombia. And, you know, just regular shorts. I did not remember to put on sunscreen, so as soon as I get to where everybody at, I just rub on the sunscreen. I really need to get a spray one because I can't bother with a lotion sunscreen. So that's why I keep on forgetting. Anyways, so we're gonna head on the road, and I'll see you guys when we're outside. We're just gonna have a nice chill family Sunday. So excited because the last time I went to the beach was probably like 2 weeks ago. Oh my god, it's 2 weeks ago. I'm dramatic. I was just about to say it's been a while, but it's just 2 weeks ago I went to Bob Marley Beach. Hope you got well. I didn't video that actually. Yeah, never video that, but I went to. That's besides the point. Later. You were to me more than money and gold, so make the love game. But what a band to break. I know you might lose faith. I might give you more than you can take. Say hi to my vlog.
Hi guys. I'm making a YouTube channel too.
Oh, she has a YouTube channel. I'll plug it. Okay, we are at the Portland sign, the famous Portland sign. Okay, we are officially in Portland, y'all. Officially. And the fam, we're outside. Put out 2 fingers. Yes. Alright, y'all, so the entry fee is $500 for adults. It's a kids under 4 free?
Under 4 free.
Under 4 free for kids. Okay. Okay, got you.
That's it. Get it. Yeah, that's right.
Where, which beach are we, Kerrian? Kerrian, which beach are we? Yeah, but what's the name of the beach? Boston.
Boston Beach.
What's the name of the beach, Kerrian?
Boston.
Okay, Boston what?
Boston.
Okay, Kerrian. Alright, got the little fish. What's it eating, Kerrian?
Vegetable, I'm on diet.
On diet with a whole heap of rice there? That's a lot of rice.
One more?
No, no more. Alright guys, so we have finished eating and all of that, so I'm gonna head down to the beach and show you guys, you know, that's the beach. I've been here before multiple times. I have been told that the waves are seriously crazy, so I'm gonna dip my feet in the water and see how it goes, but based on the waves right now, yeah, it sounds very rough. Let's head to the beach, y'all. I'm at Portland Beach. Where are you?
Inside.
Having my second plate for the day, y'all. So I am home after a long fun day at beach with the family. Yeah, it was pretty good, I think. So it was like a family beach day. I only showed like just my immediate family, but we had other extended families there as well, because it was two bus. Some people came in bus and some people drove. I was one of the person who drove because the bus thing ain't gonna work. But we had such a good day today at Boston Beach. The water was beautiful. It's Portland. Y'all saw the water, okay? Like, water, cute. So of course, everybody, meaning us adults, the family, we're gonna be heading out to Isle of Souls tonight. I actually did not plan to go anywhere, but they mentioned that they're going, so I mean, if they're going, I'm not gonna pass that up, because that's my place. So just putting a little light makeup on. Or they're actually already there, so I want to leave out in like the next 5 minutes. No, let me be realistic. I want to leave out in the next like 10 minutes. So I'm just doing like a full quick actually face beads. Oops, that almost fell on my dress. I already have all my clothes already. I just need to figure out my hair. Really need to do my hair. So let's figure out my hair. And so it happens when you're moving fast. Oh my god, yeah. So I need to figure out my hair, and then yeah, we're gonna head out. And you know, I'm gonna show you guys a full fit. I'm just like doing a very simple dress tonight. Let me hurry up and get ready. into the fit. We did do like just some light makeup, showed y'all that, had a little blush, and we're in this cute yeah, I don't remember. Yeah, so we're wearing this new cute dress. This is the first time actually wearing this dress. You know what, it's from Shein. If I don't remember it, it's from Shein. Definitely not fashionable. Yeah, and we're matchy tonight with all nudes, and the hair is in one. My cousin already texted me that they're already there, so we're gonna head out and have a little nice night. I hope you guys enjoyed this like a mini vlog, a nice Sunday vlog with the family at the beach. Yeah, later. So last night the girl did not video anything, but it was a good vibe Sunday. Okay, had a great night Sunday. Very good. Music was good. I hanged out with my family. We were all good. Everything was good. It's Monday. Happy Monday. I am heading to the hairdresser. I am looking like a... We're not gonna discuss it. But anyways, I am... Don't ask me what I'm in. I have no idea why am I dressed like this. I... in this big ass boyfriend jeans that is ridiculous, and my merino, like yeah, don't ask me why am I dressed looking this way. And I'm gonna put on, no, I'm gonna wear my, let me see, yeah, I'm gonna wear my shades, lip gloss of course, that's it. Don't question why am I looking this crazy. Monday I'm working, plus I'm gonna be working while I'm at a hairdresser. I'm just gonna process my hair. It's looking really crazy, and then I'm gonna add extensions into it. I have a clipping hair already, so I'm gonna do that myself. So just getting to the hairdresser. She's only just gonna do my relaxed hair, and that is the vibe for Monday. Work, hairdresser, that's it. By the way, y'all, I have lost so many weight. Like in my swimsuit yesterday when I was watching looking at my pictures and videos, I'm like, the girl has lost a lot of weight. And this is how I am. Like my weight always goes up and down. Like that's just how it is. But the main part of, you know, the area that I would like to be flattened is never flattened, which is the tummy area. But that's okay. We're gonna eventually work on that. But yeah, I've lost a lot of weight, literally. Let's head out because I'm running late. Oh my god, I'm always running late.
Heard about my past, things I used to do, the games I used to play, the girls I didn't last. I know what's on your mind, you think I'm doing wrong. Can I say what is real? You're the only one that tried to make me talking crazy. I need you all in my space.
Alright guys, so I'm literally back from the hairdresser. I did stop and get some food. I got some island grill, I got some veggie, what's it called again? This is veggie stew piece basically. Of course it comes with rice. And I'm trying to eliminate the rice, but trust me, I'm working on it. I did stop also and bought some green banana and pumpkin, so I will be cooking tomorrow. I think the last time I cooked, I can't remember, I think the whole of last week I only probably cooked like once or twice. Well, I did have leftovers, and then I think I've had takeouts probably 3 times last week, which is crazy. Anyways, we're gonna finish work, we're gonna eat our food because I am literally starving as usual, and that's it. We're gonna wind down. It's almost 5 o'clock. We're gonna be over soon, wind down, and that's it. We're tired and hungry.
Heard about my past, things I used to do, the games I used to play, the girls I didn't last. I know what's on your mind, you think I'm doing wrong. Can I say what is real? You're the only one that tried to make me talking crazy. I need you all in my space, but need it, baby, I'm late, but I still can't check in with you. I'd put a string of pearls right in your hand, make love on the beach of jet black sand, outside in the rain. We can do it all night, yeah. I'll touch all the places he would not.